How to change texture in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the texture. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can create or open any of the project here. So yeah, I'm tapping on one. And now I've been entered in this editing platform. Again, simply tap on this picture. Now here you'll be able to see different tools are available. Slowly scroll down until you find the option called texture. Now I have turned it on. Now as you can see, mainly there are three options: color, line and posterize. So you can select the one, and you can even increase and decrease by using this slider. So at last, simply tap on done and the photo has been saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.